dares to disrupt my coronation?
Coronation, Starscream! This is bad comedy.
Megatron? Decepticons! I am your true leader now, and I order you to attack Megatron! Now!
Megatron! But he was crushed! Where did he come from? He looks even more menacing.
Cowards! Is there no one left who would challenge this pretender to the throne? When I give an order, that order is law.
Starscream! Your mockery of a reign is over!
You will pay for this, Megatron!
You want us to chase him down? Finish him off? He's not worth the time. Starscream's penchant for self-worship has severely drained our energon supply. What's the plan, sir? Before my attack on Autobot City, Shockwave informed me of a discovery in the Sea of Rust. He is on his way now to report. Yes, Lord Megatron. Decepticons! Megatron has returned!
Vegeta, what does the scouter say about his power level? It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
Ooh, fresh meat for the grinder.
Adorable. You think they're a threat? Well, you just sit tight. Show's about to start. Careful, though. The first 3 rows are a splash zone.
What do you mean by that?
Boss, a thought occurs. This guy thought he was going up against Laughing Coffin, but he still just brought himself and a small child. You sure we want to mess with this guy?
Please, the boys all talk. And now that I've broken him, he's not even that anymore. He's nothing but a gibbering mess, grasping at straws.
Ooh, another one of your famous theories. Tell you what, I'll give you the first shot. See how that goes.
Boss, I think this might be a trap.
Enough! You're all level 45, and there's 7 of you. I think you've got this. Now kill him!
Sorry, there's no mistake. Oh no! You was all you really couldn't say slash. She's not even fighting back. I guess it's up to me to save us. Wait, what?
Man, you guys are out of shape. We ought to do some cardio.
What are you idiots doing? Quit screwing around and finish him!
I don't understand! We threw everything we had at him! How is he still standing?
How? Well, it's quite simple, really. You see, girly, you may think you got me all figured out, but there's one thing you didn't account for. My numbers are bigger than yours. Funny thing, really. Get to a high enough level and you're basically untouchable. My wounds heal faster than you can make them. We could do this all day and you would not be any closer to beating me. Not that it wouldn't be fun. But I've got good news. You see, there's no need to wonder where your god is. Because he's right here. And he's fresh out of mercy.
Well, way to prove my point, kid! Lording your stats over them like some kind of god! Your strength is nothing but an illusion to cover!